In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or retrieve your Expressvpn email address in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your email due to a change in your primary contact or looking to retrieve it because you've forgotten it, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Expressvpn website. You can easily find this by typing Expressvpn into your browser's search bar, or by visiting directly through a bookmark if you have one. Once you've reached the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. You'll find plenty of resources and features on Expressvpn, known for being a top-choice VPN service in 2025. But today, our focus is on the account management side of things. Next, move your cursor to the top of the home page and look for the link that says My Account. Click on this link and it will take you to the login page. Now, if you're already signed in, you might skip ahead slightly. But for those who aren't, you'll need to click Sign In and enter your login details. Be thorough with your username and password to ensure trouble-free access. Once you've logged in, or if you are already logged in, you'll be redirected to the Expressvpn dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your account and subscription details. Take a moment to look around if this is new to you, since all of your account information is easily accessible from here. Look toward the left-hand side, and there should be a link labeled Account and Billing. Go ahead and click on that. It's the section that houses all your billing history, subscription plan details, and, crucially for today's tutorial, your login credentials. Clicking on Account and Billing will bring you to a page with various options. Scroll down slightly on this page until you find something labeled Login Credentials. This section is very important as it contains information tied directly to your identity on Expressvpn. Click on Login Credentials, and the page will refresh to reveal further options. From here, you'll see an option for email address. This is where the magic happens. Click on Email Address, and you'll be able to view or update your email. If you're changing your email, make sure you enter the new address accurately. If you're simply trying to retrieve it, you'll be able to see which email is currently linked to your account without issue. And there you have it. Within these quick and straightforward steps, you've now successfully changed or retrieved your Expressvpn email address. Remember that keeping your contact information updated is crucial for uninterrupted service and security. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful.